Ever felt like you're watching the tech world evolve at warp speed, and you're wondering, where do I fit in? What skills are actually going to matter tomorrow? Specifically, have you ever heard of NetSuite and thought, that sounds technical. Is that something I could actually build a career around? Because, let's be honest, we've all been there. We're bombarded with buzzwords, AI, cloud computing, data analytics. But what about the platforms that actually run businesses? The systems that keep the gears turning? That's where NetSuite comes in, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. Think about it. Every company, from a small startup to a global enterprise, needs to manage its finances, inventory, customer relationships, and operations. That's a massive, complex undertaking. And that's where NetSuite shines. It's a cloud-based enterprise resource planning (ERP) system, a powerhouse that integrates all those critical business functions into a single unified platform. Now, you might be thinking, ERP? That sounds like something only accountants and IT wizards deal with. And while those roles are definitely involved, the NetSuite ecosystem is vast and diverse, offering a multitude of career paths for people with a wide range of skills and interests. But is it a good career option? That's the million-dollar question we're here to answer. And to do that, we need to look at a few key factors: demand, growth potential, skill development, and, of course, the ever-important question of salary. Let's start with demand. The cloud is king. Businesses are increasingly moving their operations to the cloud, and NetSuite, as a leading cloud-based ERP, is experiencing explosive growth. This translates to a high demand for skilled professionals who can implement, manage, and optimize NetSuite systems. Think of it like this. As more businesses adopt NetSuite, they need people who can help them make the most of it. They need consultants to guide them through implementation, developers to customize the platform, administrators to manage the system, and analysts to extract valuable insights from the data. This isn't just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. The days of siloed systems and manual processes are fading fast. Companies are realizing the power of integrated, cloud-based solutions, and NetSuite is at the forefront of this revolution. Now, let's talk about growth potential. The NetSuite ecosystem is constantly evolving, with new features and functionalities being added regularly. This means that there's always something new to learn, keeping your skills sharp and your career trajectory moving upward. You're not just learning a software. You're learning a skill set that's highly transferable and in demand across industries. You're becoming a problem solver, a business analyst, a technology expert, all rolled into one. And the growth isn't just limited to technical roles. NetSuite expertise can open doors to a variety of career paths, including project management, sales, marketing, and even entrepreneurship. Understanding how businesses operate from a holistic perspective gives you a significant advantage in any role. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: skill development. What skills do you need to succeed in a NetSuite career? First and foremost, a solid understanding of business processes is essential. You don't need to be a finance expert, but you do need to understand how businesses manage their finances, inventory, and customer relationships. Second, technical skills are crucial. Depending on your role, you might need to know how to customize NetSuite using SuiteScript, develop integrations with other systems, or manage the platform's security and performance. Third, problem-solving and analytical skills are vital. NetSuite generates a massive amount of data, and you need to be able to analyze that data to identify trends, solve problems, and make informed decisions. Fourth, communication and collaboration skills are essential. You'll be working with people from different departments and backgrounds, so you need to be able to communicate effectively and collaborate seamlessly. And finally, a willingness to learn and adapt is crucial. The NetSuite ecosystem is constantly evolving, so you need to be a lifelong learner, always seeking out new knowledge and skills. But how do you acquire these skills? There are a variety of resources available, including online courses, certifications, and hands-on experience. NetSuite itself offers a comprehensive training program, and there are many third-party providers that offer specialized training courses. And don't forget the power of networking. Connect with other NetSuite professionals, attend industry events, and join online communities. Sharing knowledge and experiences is a great way to accelerate your learning and expand your network. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Salary. How much can you expect to earn in a NetSuite career? The answer, of course, depends on your experience, skills, and location. But generally speaking, NetSuite professionals are well compensated. According to industry surveys, the average salary for a NetSuite consultant can range from $80,000 to $150,000 per year, and experienced NetSuite developers can earn even more. And the demand for NetSuite professionals is only going to increase, which means that salaries are likely to remain competitive. But it's not just about the money. A NetSuite career offers a number of other benefits, including job security, opportunities for advancement, and the satisfaction of knowing that you're making a real impact on businesses. You're not just working on a software, you're helping businesses streamline their operations, improve their efficiency, and achieve their goals. You're becoming a trusted advisor, a problem solver, a key player in the success of your organization. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.